Welcome. I don't know any way to elevate my energy as much as cardio work. Let's move, let's get the heart rate elevated and see if we can't really boost our energy immediately. I'm gonna start just a little side step, side to side. Just skip, swing your arms. I'm fortunate enough to have this beautiful facility to work in. On these rainy days, we're gonna have to come indoors some days. Keep your head up. Modify every exercise, suit your own needs. But I'd really like to see if we can't stay consistently in motion for the entire session. Mood will be elevated. Energy will be raised. Let's just stick with it. Brilliant. Okay. High knee. Swing your arms with real intention. Feel that flow. And I welcome you. Take this movement around your space. Just be curious about every movement. Don't forget to breathe. And if a bit of a skip march is available, there's no way, no better way to boost mood than a little gentle skip. We're gonna maintain that childlike quality. Movement because it's a pleasure. There it is. Dopamine has been released. All right, let's do some more lateral movements. If you got some space, move as far. If not, you can just this movement is fine. But let's bring a nice twist into the movement. Head up. You can slow it down by all means, but if you're starting to feel it, you're getting frisky. Really twist into it. We're already twisting into it. Really pick up the pace. Yeah? All right. Let's take our movement for a walk. And backwards. Just a reminder, regardless of the weather, as fall is here, get outside for that evening walk. And if there's some times you can walk backwards, it helps with proprioception, where we are in our space. Be safe, but just try a little bit of backwards walking. All right. This next one is going to be a bit of a challenge. We're going to do some pop squats. So this can look like this for you. Perfectly fine. I am going to add a little pop to it. If you can get up a couple times, brilliant. If it's not available, you're not there yet. Hallelujah. We just accept where we are. I'm going for a few here. And again, remember, you could just this could be a fine movement. Just do it with a bit of pace. Just keep moving. I like this move. This is kind of fun. But why not? Oh, and since I'm a hopper, I can hop around my space also. Could be challenging. Just do you. Okay. Ooh. Shake it out. How nice is that? Just this movement. I think you see I do this virtually every session we have together just to shake things out. Sometimes it just shakes some of the negative energy away. It can build energy too. Just getting up on the ball of our feet. I ask you to do that. Ball your feet and move around your space. Shake your arms out. 30 seconds at some point today. Do this movement. Maybe if you're a little frustrated or you just need to recharge your battery, build energy with this rather than caffeine. No caffeine afternoon. You do you. Oh, so good. Okay. Step jack. If you're really feeling it today and you want to bust out into a jumping jack, I always celebrate somebody's desire to do jumping jacks. But the step jack is a lovely movement also. And because I'm blessed with all this space today, I'm going to move around my space. Just moving in dynamic ways, being curious about what we can do. Head up and just move. Staying in the same spot is terrific also. Okay, nicely done. If you have a chair nearby, please grab it. You can use a chair or you can come to the floor. Be a little bit different today. If you can get down to the floor, but on the top of your chair works also. We're gonna do some mountain climbers. An amazing cardiovascular endurance exercise. Like, you can do it quickly. And again, this can be done on the back of your couch, a countertop, top of your chair. You get down to the floor, brilliant. It can also just be stepping like this. I'm pushing you a bit today. You can do this, you got it. If you need a break, you stop. Take a break. Breathe. And up we come. Shake that out. Okay, now forward lunge, bicep curl. Great full body exercise, but I am going to do it. I'm going to continue to do it after I tie my shoe. Building balance here. Doing the opposite of strength training. We're moving quickly through each exercise. Nice. Couple more. Oh, can you feel it? I sure can today. It's great to challenge ourselves. Hope you're sticking along, keeping that good positive energy, positive attitude. I'm gonna move laterally for our last movement of the day. We're gonna build balance. I'm gonna move laterally, and I'm just gonna do a couple leg lifts. So I'm keeping my heart rate up, but I'm gonna skip to the side. Do your best to stay straight. I'm definitely leaning over a little bit more than I would like. Sometimes it is. Do as they say, not as I do. Ooh. Breathe. Oh, yep. Oh, it feels good. Yes, you're warm, feeling alive. I like the challenge that today presented. I could feel I got a bit of a sweat going. Ooh. Couple more. Ooh. Whoa, that's all right. If you can't quite do it, have a smile, have a laugh. Wonderfully done. Now this is a great time to practice our moment of meditation, our moment of stillness, mindfulness. Pick your spot, give it laser-like attention, but actually direct your attention, and maybe let's put our hands on our heart. And notice when you're still, when you focus on your breathing, how much more quickly you recover. Just like if you climb a flight of stairs or a hill, you stop, take a moment, breathe deeply and connect to your breath. Heart rate comes down. You start taking ownership of your energy. I'll be quiet now. Do you feel after that moment that everything's kind of, we have that type of power for our energy. It's in us. We get to determine where our energy is, and we can slow down our breathing when we're truly present and focused. Thank you so much for this challenging session today. Let me know how it went for you. I am truly grateful to you. Thank you for showing up. I will see you tomorrow. Well done. Goodbye.